Hi, I'm State Senator Bruce Tarr, and I hope you're doing well in these very challenging times that have been brought upon us by the COVID-19 pandemic. It's really important to maintain our physical health by doing things like washing our hands, avoiding groups of larger than 10 people, covering our cough by coughing into our elbow, and also by keeping aware of the symptoms that someone may have if they've developed coronavirus. But as important as physical health is, mental health is important too. These are times that naturally give us anxiety, and for some people, it may even give us depression. So it's really important that we do the things that we need to do to keep in a good state of mental health. Now, some of them are pretty easy. One of them is finding a pen pal. Research has proven that when you write to someone, it actually helps your mental health. But just remember, when you put the letter in the mailbox, make sure to wash your hands after you do that. We can also use technology by doing things like virtual hangouts with FaceTime or Google Hangout or one of those programs. That's important. And it's always important to help out someone. So if you can help a neighbor with an errand, that's a good thing to do, as long as you maintain the appropriate elements of social distancing and the other health protocols that we've already talked about. It's also important to get outside. The weather's getting a little bit nicer out. And when we have a good day, it's fine to go for a walk. And you might even see some of your neighbors. Give them a wave. Let them know that you're thinking about them. That's important. In addition, social media can help us connect with others, but we need to make sure to do that in moderation. Don't let it develop to a point where you feel overwhelmed. Now, if you need a little bit of outside help, then there are resources for that too. And one of the things you can do is dial 211 on your telephone. And when you dial 211, if you press option 25, you'll reach a service that's called Call to Talk. And there are folks that can talk with you and help you make sure that you're in a good state of mental health. There are other services that are available on Call to Talk as well, and you'll hear those as you're going through the menu when you call the number. I'm coming to you because you have an active Council on Aging, and they've been working with our office and others in state and local and federal government to make sure that we're all pulling in the same direction to do the right things, to help support all of the people that we represent, and you're one of them. So remember, we care about you, we want you to be well, and we want you to be in a good state of mental health. We all have that goal, and we want you to do your part too. So help us by doing the things that it takes to limit the transmission of the COVID virus by washing your hands, maintaining a distance of 6 feet from folks, and covering your sneeze, and all the other things that we've talked about. Remember, most of all, we can get through this by working together, and we can make sure to keep our neighbors safe and healthy by doing some very simple things. So thanks to your Council on Aging, and thanks to you for watching this, and hopefully we'll get a chance to talk again soon. Be healthy, and remember, we will move forward through this virus.